Team Liquid Indonesia is the first team in MPL ID na hindi magko-qualify para sa playoffs. You know what time it is? Hands in. This is honestly one of the quickest downfalls of any MPL team in history. I hate to say it, but it's true. Team Liquid ID is currently 0-11. At week 6 pa lang, it's already confirmed na wala na silang paraan para makatungtong ng playoffs. Like, I don't understand how you went from being the champions of Season 14 to not even winning a single match a year later. May factor kaya dito is yung mga dumagdag na players? Nawala ba sa kanila yung hunger to actually win and play some games? Kasi gana naman sila Season 14. But ever since the rise of Onyx Indo and RQ Hoshi, the other teams are slowly stepping it up. Nagdadagdag sila ng mga panibagong players. But for TLID, siguro merong isa or dalawa silang dinagdag that didn't leave much of an impact compared to what they were supposed to do. There should be some similarities with other regions. But this can also mean na paunti-unti may mga bagong umuusbong na mga malalakas na players. Kung iahalin tulad natin dito sa Pilipinas, there are Twisted Minds and Team Falcons. We didn't expect Falcons to be so low. We didn't expect Twisted Minds to be this strong. Will the Falcons share the same fate gaya na nangyari sa TLI?